All right, my friends, the project continues. So, how many times do you think I measured? Not all my tools are antiques, just most of them. Now, when a project like this progresses, each cut becomes more and more critical because you have fewer cuts to correct a mistake. We'll see. We'll see how good I did. Well, we're not done yet. Let's see how well this cut lines up. And remind me to make a new push stick. All right. Guess it did okay. All right, my friends. So you saw that. Here's all my chopsticks. So I'm in the chopstick manufacturing business now. And so these cuts seem pretty close. All right, when I put it in the clamp, I'll have to, I don't want the gap to be too big. And although it seems like, looks pretty pretty accurate there. But anyway, so it's been a few days, been a couple days, and what I'm doing now, I'm still thinking, because right now, okay, so the wood's pretty. The wood it's going to have some nice grain, some better than others. So that this side with the notch is going to be to the reverse or against the wall. So I'm not for sure yet what I want to do with this outside edge, right? Because here's the inside, and that's where the glass is going to go. How wide is it? Let's see. So I still got almost 3 inches of wood there. All right, so I can afford to lose a little along this edge. I wanted to do something. I wanted to put some more cuts here, just, you know, a flat square like that. Well, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm still thinking about how I want to finish this outside before I trim them to final length. And then glue them, right? Drill right there, put a screw in for added strength. But even though it doesn't seem like I've done any more work, I am still considering what I want to do with this outside edge. So that's where we're at right now. It's not being neglected. So, all right, my friends, you have a good day.